Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to find your Coinbase wallet address. It's easy to get this done. Simply open up your Coinbase. Once you've set up your Coinbase wallet, open up your Coinbase wallet. And now you might be looking for a way to receive tokens on your Coinbase wallet. You're looking for a way to fund it. To do this, you're first going to need to find your address. So in order to find your address, all you need to do is quite simple. Click on the receive option. Once you selected receive, you'd find that you could receive tokens on your Coinbase wallet via your username. It's free and you can easily claim a free username with Coinbase, and you could send from your Coinbase wallet to another wallet via your username. Now, another option of receiving tokens is with the Ethereum address. We have the Base Network, Avalanche, Smart Chain, and Polygon. We have the Bitcoin address. We have Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Solana. So as you can see here with Bitcoin or with Litecoin we have Segwit and Legacy networks. With the Dogecoin, we have just the Dogecoin network, and Solana itself is also here. So guys, that's how you can find your Coinbase wallet address. Do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.